Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my 8 favorite exercises to lose those stubborn love handles. And you don't even need to step into a gym. We're gonna work those obliques, tighten that core, and get you feeling your absolute best. No equipment needed, just you and me. So what are you waiting for? Grab some water, put on your workout clothes, and let's get started. Okay, let's kick things off with a warm-up to get our bodies moving and prepped for the workout. We want to make sure our muscles are nice and loose to prevent any injuries. Let's start with some light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. Imagine yourself getting energized, feeling that heart rate going up just a little. Keep that energy up for 5 minutes, and remember, we're just getting started. Now let's dive into those love handles with some side planks. Find a comfortable position on your side, propping yourself up on your forearm. Make sure your body is in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core. Hold that pose, feeling those obliques working hard. Aim for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. Remember, you've got this. Let's keep that core engaged with some bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back, hands gently behind your head, and bring your knees towards your chest. Alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee like you're pedaling a bicycle. Focus on controlled movements, feeling those abs working. Aim for 15 to 20 reps on each side and remember to breathe. Chapter 4, Russian Twists. Now it's time for some Russian twists. Sit on the floor, knees slightly bent, and lean back slightly. Hold your hands together in front of you and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor on each side. This exercise is amazing for your obliques and balance. Keep that core engaged and twist for a full minute. You're doing amazing. Chapter 5, Mountain Climbers. Time to get that full body workout with mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position, hands shoulder width apart, and core engaged. Now drive your knees towards your chest one at a time like you're climbing a mountain. Remember to keep your core tight and your back straight. Do this for 1 minute and remember you're almost there. Chapter 6. Let's target those obliques even more with standing side crunches. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands behind your head and then bend to the side, bringing your elbow towards your hip. Engage those obliques and feel the burn. Do 15 to 20 reps on each side and remember to breathe. Chapter 7. Let's finish strong with some leg raises. Lie flat on your back, hands by your sides. Keeping your legs straight, raise them towards the ceiling until your butt comes off the ground. Slowly lower them back down, keeping your core engaged throughout the entire movement. This one's a killer for those lower abs and love handles. Aim for 15 to 20 reps and feel that burn. Chapter 8. Amazing work, everyone. Now it's time to cool down and stretch those muscles. We want to prevent soreness and keep our bodies feeling great. Focus on stretching your core, back and legs, holding each stretch for about 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply and really allow those muscles to relax. And that's it for today's workout. Remember, consistency is key. Keep doing these exercises regularly, and you'll start seeing results in no time. Don't be afraid to adjust the number of reps or sets based on your fitness level, and always listen to your body. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. See you next time.